started singing, cow, cow, cow. The cheese fell down from the frog's beak. The frog to the cheese, they walked away happily. Moral of the stories, selfish people speak sweet words to serve their own ends. Thank you, friends. Very good.
Thank you.